First thing I got recently, drum roll, is hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Precious the First. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some new filming gadgets I got to make my content creation journey more seamless, and I'll also be doing a little market haul. So without delay, let's get started. First thing I got recently, drum roll, is a K9 wireless microphone. I'm showing you this first because I can't wait to use this right in this video. Okay, so this is a K9 wireless microphone. I got this few months back, but I have never used this prior to this time because I used to film content with my Infinix Smart 5 phone. This was what I used in filming all the content I created in time past. I still use it now to create content depending on what I'm trying to create. This Infinix Smart 5 phone is very good, especially when you're trying to create pattern drafting videos or sewing videos, you know, sewing tutorials. But I realized that over time it wasn't really good with sit down videos like I'm doing right now. So it wasn't really giving me that it factor that I was looking for. So I got a microphone to help me with my sound, because sometimes I struggled with background noise and stuff like that. If you listen clearly, you may hear some background noises, and that's why I got this microphone. But I never used it because it wasn't compatible with my phone. It wasn't compatible with my phone at all. So I just bought it and I realized it wasn't compatible and I just dropped it. I left it aside, but I had a firm belief that I was going to get a better filming device, a better phone or a better camera, and so I just bought it. One good thing about this device is it has two microphones. Let me take this off. It has two microphones, so I could use this microphone, I could use it for myself and I could give it to a partner to also use. So like, instead of getting two different microphones, this one just saves you that trouble. It comes with two microphones, and then this comes with the receiver. So aside from the two microphones it came with, it also has a receiver, as you can see. So this is what you plug in your phone. You need to do a little bit of setup before you plug it in your phone. So it also came with this is the part I love most. It came with different types of inputs in your phone. Okay, like this one is meant for iPhones. Is meant for iPhones, as you can see. I don't know if it's clear. This one is meant for Android. So if you're using an Android phone, this can also go, depending on the type of phone. It wasn't compatible with my Infinix Smart 5. It may be compatible with your own Android phone. So it has an Android input, so for your Android phone, and then it also has a Type-C input. You can see a Type-C input, so it's like a 3-in-1 type of inputs. Like, it's so multifunctional. So whether you have an Android phone, you have an Apple phone, or you have let me say your phone has a Type-C port. This also comes with the charger. It comes with this USB charging stuff, so you can just use this to charge your microphone. And I got this for 17,000 naira. Now that I've gotten a phone that is actually compatible with this microphone, I really realized that this was indeed a very good purchase, and I'm so happy I got this at the time. So friends, I just thought to show you how this is being used. So this is the receiver, right? And this is the part with the iOS input. So this receiver already has a Type-C input already. This is already in form of a type C input. So right now I will just be putting this other part into it, because what I am using to film is an Apple phone. So this is how it is. So I'm going to be inserting this into my phone. So now that that is done, I'm going to pick up one of the microphones and I'm going to press the button. So I'm going to be pressing that button. Just hold it firmly till I see a green light that starts blinking. You can see that green light then, that means it's active. So right now, I will just place this on that part of my body that would be close to my mouth. So guys, as you can see, power went off, unfortunately. But I'm determined to finish this video irrespective of the power outage. So another thing I got recently was a new filming device in the form of an Apple phone. Wow! Guys, the good thing about this is this was actually a gift. I got this free of charge. For the longest time, I've been filming with my Infinix Smart 5, but I actually desired a change. I actually desired a new phone. So I was actually saving up to buy one. And all of a sudden, someone special who saw my desire, and my need to get a new phone, like a better phone with a better camera, just decided to gift me this. And this just makes me remember a quote that says, if you're trying to go on a run, you're trying to embark on a journey, do not actually seek partners, not actually seek tag alongs. Just begin. If you're actually going for a run, do not look for partners, do not look for jog buddies, do not look for that friend who's going to go with you. Just start. Perhaps on your first run, you won't see anybody joining you on that run. Even on your second, even on your third, fourth, fifth, but along the line, you're going to meet like minded people who actually buy into your vision, who actually want to be with you, who actually want to support you in what you do, and then you're going to grow. So, this just goes to say you do not need to wait for everybody's total support, before you begin that thing you've always wanted to start. Just start. And once people see your drive, once people see your desire to succeed on that path, lots of people would try to support you along the way, even people you do not know. So if you're the kind of person that's been looking for, oh, I started this journey, or I started my business and I'm not getting the support I need to get from family, from friends, from people that you think really matter on that journey, just go, just keep on doing what you're doing, and trust me, the universe is going to bring like-minded people who would maximally support you. I'm so happy about this gift. I do not take it for granted. I know some of you may be like, people get phones every day. What's the big deal about having a new phone? But I'm learning to celebrate small wins, no matter how small it is. And it's not small. Someone gifting you a phone out of the person's hard-earned money, it's not small. Any gift is not small because it's the thought that actually counts. So I'm so excited about this new addition to my gadgets. And okay, enough said. Let me just show you the other things I got from the market. So I got the soldering iron. I don't know why I got this, but I think this would be very, very essential in my sewing. I think this is going to be very essential because sometimes I need to get like the perfect cuts, especially for fabrics that fray, or maybe maybe want to get patterns out of fabric. I think the soldering iron will solve that, or maybe I need to bore holes into fabric. I think this soldering iron would make it easier for me, especially when I want to create holes, eyelets. I want to create eyelet holes, in my dresses, maybe corset dresses, instead of poking it with scissors and stuff like that. I could just use this soldering iron to bore the holes. So I got the soldering iron for 3,000 naira only. So, and I think it's a very, very good buy. Another thing I got recently is glue gun. For the longest time, I've always wanted to get a glue gun, but whenever I just think about it, whenever I go to the market, it just escapes my mind. So recently I went to the market and I just saw this hanging and I asked them how much it was, and they told me I got this for 5,500, and this is the big size. When I was getting this glue gun, I also got the glue sticks, because I felt this input here was kind of large, so I got the big types. So, but on coming home and trying to fit this into that compartment, I realized that it was rather big for that chamber, so I couldn't use it immediately. Matter of fact, I haven't used this yet. So I got these glue sticks. Each one cost 200 naira only, and I got three of them for 600 naira. So, but because I couldn't use this on my glue gun, I had to go back to the market to get the smaller version. And I think this fits very well in my glue gun. I think this fits very well in my glue gun. Just take a look. Putting this in, if I decide to insert this in, look, it fits very, very well. So, um, I don't know what I'll be doing with this particular one. I don't know if I could just divide it, because I'm not wasting anything. I don't know if I could just divide it and still put it inside. I do not know. I also got this smart set. I got the smart set. So I got this for 1,200 naira. So I also got a UHU gold, but this one is not UHU though, it's UHN. But this your regular gum adhesive. Yes, I got it, and I got this for 1,000 naira only. So I also got these pins. If you're a regular viewer on my other channel, you will know that for the longest time I've been using regular office pins. I like the fact that it is very long, and this would serve me very well. So, and I got this in the market for 400 naira only. These were all the items I got recently. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel. On this channel, I share relatable content, and you wouldn't want to miss out on future content I put out. I thank you for watching this video. Till I see you in the next video. Bye.